How do I use a tree diagram to calculate theoretical probability? Well, we've already done this in several problems, but we're just going to break down the steps. So, when I'm calculating theoretical probability, I end up with a fraction. So, I end up with a numerator and my denominator. Now, how can I use my tree diagram to help me figure out my numerator and my denominator? Well, what I do, so let's just color code this. So let's work with our numerator being yellow. So the numerator is going to be my favorable event. So what it is that I'm looking for to happen. So in the three boys problem, it's the three boys. So my numerator becomes 1, and my numerator is my favorable event. Okay, now the denominator is calculated, so my denominator, we'll put in green. My denominator is calculated by finding all of the possible events. That includes the favorable event. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So my denominator is 8 possible events, and my denominator is all tree branches. So it's all the possibilities, everything that could occur. So in order to calculate theoretical probability, I'm going to put my favorable event, so what it is I'm looking for to happen, over top of all possible answers in my tree diagram. And that's how I use the tree diagram to calculate theoretical probability.